Good morning, students. So we are going to continue our block 22, that is electric circuit. LP3 electric switch. Our aim is to create a simple electric circuit with an electric switch. And here the keywords, more keywords you will learn, but the basic keyword is electric switch. Then how do we operate electrical appliances like radios, mixers, televisions and washing machines in our homes? Why they have a switch? We operate various electrical appliances by using switches. The switches help us to start and turn off the appliances. This is the basic use of switch. Today, we will create a simple electric switch with the safety pin as an electric switch. Now see, this is the class activity. This I have taken from your book. Make an electric switch using a safety pin. Use the electric circuit made in the previous lesson for this activity. Also, gather some additional materials. A thermocol sheet, a safety pin, two drawing pins. First, disconnect one wire from the electric cell, insert a drawing pin through one end of the safety pin and into the thermocol sheet. Insert the other drawing pin through the other end of the safety pin and into the thermocol sheet. Attach the wires to the ends of the safety pin as shown in figure. The safety pin can be opened and closed to work as an electric switch. See, this activity you have to try at home. You will enjoy this activity because by this we are creating an electric switch. Now what happened when safety pin touched the second drawing pin? When the safety pin touched the second drawing pin, the bulb glowed. Right? Now why the bulb glowed? What happened when safety pin was moved away from the second drawing pin? When the safety pin was moved away from the second drawing pin, the bulb stopped glowing. So here why it stopped glowing? Think about these questions. Why does the bulb glow when safety pin touches the second drawing pin? When the safety pin touches the second drawing pin, the electric circuit becomes closed or complete. That's why the bulb glows. What is the role of safety pin in this circuit? Safety pin acts like an electric switch. Where are electric switches used in our daily life? They are used to turn various electrical appliances like bulbs, tube lights, torches. What are the different types of switches that we use? There are three types of switches that we use: on-off switch, push button switch, sliding switch. Where do we use them? We use on-off switches where we want appliances to work or not work for long duration, such as fans, refrigerators, etc. And where we use push button? We use push button switches where we want appliance to work for very short moment, such as doorbells and calculators. So these buttons also everybody has seen. And one more example I can share here. In laptops also push buttons are present. Now sliding switches. We use sliding switches where we want to change the range of working of appliances such as torches and for volume control in music system. So this was all about electric switch and various types of switch buttons. Thank you children for watching the video.